bought a vacuum today. Another day, another vlog. It is warm outside. It's actually sunny outside. I cleaned the windows today. Matt is with us too. How you doing, Matt?
Hi.
This is gonna be one of the perfect examples of why downtown living is just a very good thing. Today we're hitting up 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 4 spots, right?
I think so.
I don't even need to get in a car. I can walk everywhere. There's a huge block party happening literally right below the building. Actually, like right there, guys. I would not lie to you. Are you excited?
Yeah, man.
I'm really excited. Today is going to be a great day. Let me fill you in a little bit more on what's happening today. The Jets play their first playoff game, so there's a huge block party. It's Wing Wednesday, so we're gonna go get chicken wings, and we're selling a bunch of sneakers, that and a whole bunch more. And it's the first actually nice day we've had in Winnipeg all spring. I'm not even wearing a jacket. First stop though, chicken wings. On second thought, this place is completely packed with people waiting for the hockey game. I don't think we're getting wings today. After you, sir. Friday nights. Matt brought in a bunch of his shoes to consign. Hold up, I'm just realizing right now that I haven't actually ever given Matt a proper introduction on this channel. This is gonna be a long one. We went to school for 7 years, grades 6 through 12. I played basketball with him in high school, and I played basketball with him in men's league. He's in a lot of my videos. He works at a golf course. And he's a pretty good basketball player and an even bigger soccer fan. Unfortunately, he supports Liverpool, which is a little questionable. Other things to know about Matt is he absolutely loves to play Football Manager, the game on your computer, and he is an avid fan of waking up ridiculously early in the morning to go work out, as was evidenced in yesterday's video. And I mean, he's in like 4 videos a week, so you guys will get to know him.
So I would actually wear them, kind of thing. It's deal.
Matt's dropping off like all his shoes. Why are you selling all your shoes?
Because I don't wear them enough.
He doesn't wear his shoes enough.
And hopefully someone will pick them up for a good price.
And hopefully someone will pick them for a good price. They'll actually wear them. Jordan 5 Oreos, these things are sick. Did you wear these to Christmas banquet when we were in high school?
No, I wore them in Westman Classic semifinal.
Jordan 8 Aquas, I bought these for you and you're selling them. I bought these for you.
Fair.
You can't sell gifts.
That's cold.
That's cold. That's cold, right?
Cold, ice cold.
That's cold. And then you bought these like way back in high school, and I bought them because you had them, and now I have 50 pairs of Jordan 1s. So thank you for the inspiration. This is a sad day that they're leaving your hands. Yeah, so if any of you guys want shoes from Matt or from Eric, or why are you on a skateboard in here?
Faster travel.
It's faster travel.
Don't hurt yourself.
Someone for my 8th birthday bought me a skateboard. And I'm pretty talented. Ooh.
You lasted like...
Not even 1 second.
No.
I'm not very good at skateboarding. I could tell. All right, coffee table is assembled, which is awesome. This is the coffee table that I'm keeping for 59 days, and then I'm returning it to get my real coffee table, because this has a 60-day return policy. I feel sort of bad about it, but at the same time, I need a coffee table in the 2 months that my coffee table takes to ship. I stopped by the house today to pick up some stuff, bring over some more stuff, and there was a box sitting for me. It had been opened already, which is sort of unfortunate, but in it was a pair of shoes that I ordered off of this Facebook group probably about 5-6 days ago. Literally the only thing I use Facebook for is going on Facebook groups, and this pair of shoes I actually got from a Facebook group that is entirely size 12 sneakers, and that's something I would definitely recommend. If you're a size 9, find a Facebook group that's all size 9. If you're size 15, find a Facebook group that has all size 15. And sooner or later you'll find some awesome steals. So I am trying to cut down my sneaker collection, but this is a pair that I saw. It was $100, and it's the perfect pair of sneakers to just beat up, not really have to worry about in the summer and spring. And it's like 50% off of retail, so I was super happy about that. He said they were tried on, but he had never actually worn them outside. It is a Jordan box. If you guys know your Jordans, you know this is an Air Jordan 4. Wow, okay, I'm excited to see this. He said tried on, inside, brand new. Wow. He meant it. I mean, there's a little bit of creasing right there. These things look pristine. No dirt on the bottom. These are, of course, the Air Jordan 4 Pure Moneys. Wow, wow, wow. I'm very, very happy with these. This is a sick pair of shoes. All white, all white everything. You got white bottom, white leather, white mesh, white tongue. The only accents of color that you have come right here from the silver pieces on the lace holes, and then also, of course, the silver Jumpman. This is a classic shoe. These are released, I believe, summer 2017, like May 2017 actually. I remember the weekend they released in May, and they sort of sat for a little bit. And then they sat longer, and then they sat longer, and then they ended up going to Nike outlets, which is crazy because when these things originally released in, I believe, 2004, 2005, these are one of the most hyped up Jordans that existed, and they resold for hundreds and hundreds of dollars. And then they released again, and they just sat on shelves. And I know Jordan Brand produced a lot of them, obviously, and they did sell a lot of pairs and made a lot of money off of them. It was just sort of crazy to see a pair of shoes that was so sought after a few years ago just end up sitting on shelves. So yeah, this is the Jordan 4 Pure Money. 100 bucks. Did I get a good price? Did I not get a good price? Do you like the shoe? Do you hate the shoe? What do you guys think of these? I want to hear from you. I'm actually really curious because I'm super excited about this pair of kicks. And like for only $100, you can't go wrong. Okay. This is crazy. So there's not a lot to do in Winnipeg. I mean, there's stuff to do in Winnipeg, but at the same time, there's not a lot to do in Winnipeg. And we have a hockey team, the Winnipeg Jets. They play right across the street from my new apartment. And they're really good this year. They're second in the NHL. They're really good. Our first playoff games today. There's like some ridiculous block party. Downtown's pretty much shut down. The entire city is down here wearing Jets jerseys. Like it's literally right outside my apartment. That is the corner of the arena that they play in. Whole bunch of people there. And then you go down this block under that sort of tunnel looking thing, and it is packed with people. I think we're gonna go down there and check it out.
Matt,
A few people down here.
there's a lot of people down here.
Few people down here.
Not much room to walk. Matt, how many players can you actually name that are on the Jets? I can name 4. Freeze! I just want you guys to keep this in mind. This is not the finals of the NHL. This is not the conference finals. This is the first game of the first round of the playoffs. And thousands of people are standing outside in the cold to watch hockey on a big screen. As stereotypical as it does sound, Canadians freaking love their hockey. And to be honest, I don't really quite understand it.
They understand that the playoffs isn't a
So far, so good. Really liking it so far.
With glowing hearts we see thee rise, the true
Good evening from Bell MTF Place in downtown.
I like this kid. He climbed up onto a tree just so he could see the screen. That's ingenuity right there. Attaboy. This is cool, but it's a little bit cramped. That is much better back in the apartment. That was fun. Hockey's fun. I don't know much about hockey, and it was getting a little bit cold and crowded outside. So we're back in the apartment. One last thing for today. I did mention earlier in the video that I brought back a couple more shoes into the new collection that I'm making over here. I decided to bring over these custom Vans with a whole bunch of rap lyrics. You have "Life is a traffic jam." It's way darker this time. I used to hustle. Now all I do is relax and strive. When I was young, I was a fan of the Jackson 5. Anyway, custom Vans that I made this summer. These things are nice. And then the Nike box is these guys right here. Very happy to have these ones in the collect. Wow, why do I always drop shoes? Sick pair of kicks. Sick pair of kicks. Needed to bring these ones with me. I have lots of foam posits. Lots of them I am going to be selling. But need to have a few dope pairs of foam posits, and this is definitely one of my favorites. Just clean, black, red. I like that it doesn't have a translucent sole, so you're gonna be able to wear it for longer and it's still gonna look great. I think that was a good decision to bring over here. The sneaker collection in here is maybe 15, 20 pairs away from being complete of where I want it to be in terms of taking over shoes that I already have in my collection. Then I'm gonna sell the rest, then I'm gonna have thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars to spend on reinvesting back into the channel, which is gonna be an absolutely amazing thing. So I really appreciate all you guys watching. I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. And until next time, peace.